Working on a service on a Southland dump today. This is the one I did the 7-way wire on the front. I'm gonna do an axle service, check his brakes. He's got shackle links that are about to blow here. I'm gonna check all of his hangers, check his brakes, check his hub and drums, adjust the brakes if needed, and overall just do a safety check on the trailer. Let's get to it. Shackle links are coming apart. I'm assuming the bushings on the springs on this side are bad, so I'm gonna change those out, and then I'll check the equalizer top here. 11/16 for the nuts. Shackle links on the rear blown out. Shackle links on the front are starting to oval out. I think this is okay, I just need some bushings on the top. New bushing in the top. Yep, still good, just need bushings. Equalizer's rebuilt. And bushings going on spring side. Equalizer's rebuilt, shackle links are on. Let's tighten everything down. All shackle links, all bolts are tight. Equalizer, shackle links are done. Driver side front. All right, magnet surface is done. Magnet's done, okay. Looks like the brakes weren't adjusted. Pads under half. Okay, we're gonna change these out. Hub and drums have a bad magnet surface. Magnet is really grooved in, and we got less than half on the back shoe. So we're changing them out. Spindle's clean, 9/16 to take these off. Driver side front off. Springs look good, no brakes. Driver side front going on. Wiring's not smashed. Driver side front's on. Driver side rear. Yeah, same thing, super, I don't know if you can see it, but it's not flat anymore. 9/16 takes off backing plate. Driver side rear's off. Spindle's clean. Driver side rear going on. Wiring is not smashed into the backing. Backing plate's on. Let's pack all 4 hub and drums since we are changing brakes out on this. Let's get into the van. Hub and drums are new and ready. Put a little grease inside the hubs and then pack bearings. Bearings are packed all the way through. I'm gonna check seals, should be 2 1/4. And seals are 2 1/4. Inner bearings are packed, seals are in, let's do the outsides. Outer hubs have grease, new bearings going in. Outer bearings are packed, hub and drums are packed, let's get them on the trailer. Hub and drum, washer, spindle nuts on. Hub and drum, washer, spindle nuts on. Driver side rear 50, back off and tight. Driver side rear, cotter pin is verified. And adjusting brakes, driver side rear. Driver side rear cannot spin. Backed off, slightly rubbing. And we'll do one more, I think it's just a little bit too tight. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Rear driver side's wired up, shrink wrapping it. Good, driver side rear, wiring's done. Driver side front, 50, backed off and tight. Driver side front, cotter pin is verified. Adjusted out, cannot spin. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Driver side front, wired up, shrunk wrap. Driver side front, zip tied. Driver side rear, zip tied. Checking brakes, driver side. Front and rear are free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, front, locked up. Brakes are off, back to free spinning, back to free spinning. Driver side brakes work. Pull the breakaway, see if that works. Breakaway is pulled. Driver side front, locked up. Breakaway system is working. Pin is back in. Back to free spinning. Driver side works. I'm gonna put this on the ground, lift up the other passenger side and do that side. Passenger side's up in the air, sitting on a jack stand. These Lippert lug studs have a notorious nature of locking up when you put a lug nut on them. So I'm assuming this one's locked up. I'll cut that one off and then get the rest of them off. And we just broke it off, heck yeah. Axles are supported. I'm gonna take the equalizers, shackle links down, rebuild these equalizers, and change out the shackle links. And for these shoulder nuts, if you've ever taken them off, it's an 11/16, 13/16 for the bolt head. Bolts are messed up, shackle links are blown out. Yeah, equalizers are good, just gotta rebuild them. Springs need new bushings. Bushings on the springs are out, new bushings going in. Equalizer has new bushings inside. Let's put them on. Shackle links going on. Tightening all shackle links. Tight, 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 and tight. Equalizer's rebuilt, shackle links are on, bolts and nuts are good. Suspension's done. Let's tear down these hub and drums. Passenger side front. Oh yeah, that got hot. That's done. Magnet is torched. The outer metal is melted away. But because we changed the other side, we're gonna change this side regardless. Passenger side front's off. Spindle is clean, backing plate's going on, passenger side front. Wiring is not smashed into the back. Backing plate secure. Passenger side front 50, back off. Finger tight, passenger side front, cotter pin is verified. Passenger side front cannot spin. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Passenger side front is wired, shrink wrap and butt connectors. Passenger side front is wired. Passenger side rear, getting torn down. Somehow this one got a little water in it. Passenger side rear. Magnets got hot. Backing plate coming off. Passenger side rear's off. Passenger side rear going on. Oh, wiring smashed. Don't want that. Wiring's not smashed. Backing plate's on. Passenger side rear 50. Backed off. Finger tight. Passenger side rear, cotter pin is verified. Passenger side rear cannot spin. Backed off, slightly rubbing. Passenger side rear is wired, shrink wrap and butt connectors. Passenger side rear, butt connectors are shrunk wrap. Let's check brakes. Front and rear is free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Front is locked up. Brakes are off. Back to free spinning. Brakes work. Axles are done. Let's check lights. Marker lights are on. Front passenger side is good. And rear passenger side is good. Rear markers are good. Right turns on and working. Left turns on and working. Back to markers. Passenger side rear is good. Passenger side front and fender is good. 7-way plug still looks good. Everything still looks good here. Solar panel's clean. And torquing lug nuts. Oh, can't torque that. All right, this one's just getting German spec. Lug nuts are torqued. I also running on that trailer 4 new backing plates, 4 new hub and drums. I put new bushings in the equalizers, 8 new shackle links, 10 new bolts and nuts. Everything's nice and tight. All brakes are adjusted, all brakes work, all lug nuts are torqued. This job's done. I'm on to the next.